In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the S&P 500 using Fidelity. So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you have an account on Fidelity if you haven't already. You're able to make an account on Fidelity by just going to any web browser, then go ahead and press on this and scroll down and then press over here where it says open account with Fidelity. You can open a Roth IRA, for example, which will allow you to go ahead and invest in the S&P 500. Keep in mind that you will need to input information about yourself, such as your social security number, your income, your bank details, etc. in order to begin investing. Anyways, I already have my Fidelity account over here, but now let's begin investing in the S&P 500. So please go to the top menu, press over here where it says trade. Then make sure that stock/ETFs is selected. And another really good tool is actually this help mode button over here. So you can go ahead and turn this on, for example. And from here, you will get these question marks. I'll basically walk you through the process as well. So then afterwards, you will need to select on your account over here. And next up is the symbol, and this is really important. So basically, there are multiple ways that you could track the S&P 500. So you can't like directly invest in the S&P 500. You can invest in assets that track the S&P 500, such as the VOO, which is Vanguard's S&P 500. So let's go and type that in. Yep, as you're able to tell, here it is, Vanguard 500 Index Fund. But for Fidelity, it is FX and then AIX right over here. And this is the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, for example. And once again, you guys are able to press on these question marks over here. Then you want to press on buy. And then you guys will have two different options. So you can buy in terms of shares or in terms of dollars. I suggest buying in terms of dollars. So let's say you want to invest $300. It's just simpler than converting that amount to shares. So keep that in mind. Then where's this order type? We have market and limit. So once again, press on this question mark button. So keep in mind that market trades at the next available price and the limit trades only at a set price or better. So that's 100% up to you. But for simplicity purposes, you can go ahead and just select on market. Then where it says time and day, you only have one option that says day. Then you want to press on preview order. And then you need to make sure that you do have funds on your Fidelity account. And you're usually able to actually fund these investments using a linked bank account. So that's why I said previously that if you're going to make a Fidelity account, you need to make sure that you input your bank information. But afterwards, you should be good to go. And then you're able to go ahead and invest. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.